Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repair Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to simply follow this article or this sports article of Microsoft. And from here, we can learn on how you can simply repair your Microsoft applications. So here we have two versions. We have like for the Windows 10 and Windows 11, and basically they are similar in concept. So you will be needing just to go to the apps and the features, or where you can uninstall and installing apps on the control panel, and from there we will be able to launch or start like the repair wizard or the repair launcher of Microsoft. So we can simply go to the start menu. So from here you will be able to go to settings, and from there we want to go to apps, and from the apps you will need just to be in the apps and features. By being on apps and features, you will be needing just to search for Office or for the Windows, I mean Microsoft. So basically I'm just going to type 365, and basically here you can see the launcher of our Microsoft apps. Now, all we need to do is to simply click on modify as it's stated in uh, the guide or in the support article. And from there, you will be able to start repairing your Microsoft. So let's just go back to our page. From here, we click on modify, you click on yes, and from here, you have two choices. If if there are some uh, small issues, like for example, your Microsoft apps aren't just like opening, or some small issues, or some bugs, etc., you can just simply use a quick repair. If a quick repair didn't fix your issue, you can just go for an online repair and make sure that you have internet and click on repair. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.